Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. My name is Jacob Grider. If you haven't already, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to take a 2019 factory Ram 1500 muffler off and install a JY Performance muffler bypass. I'll leave the link down in the description where I got this and how much it was. And yeah, let's get to it.
Coming underneath here, you have two 15mm bolts. You can see them through there. They are attached to the clamps, holding down the exhaust. We'll go ahead and remove those.
All right, now that I have those bolts loosened up from the clamps, I'm gonna go ahead and take the exhaust pipes from the back end of the exhaust off of the muffler. Let them hang just a little bit. I've got some cardboard I'm gonna let them hang on so I don't scratch up the tips. Successfully took the pipes off. There are a couple hangers on the back side here. One here, and then same on the other side. And then there's one more tucked underneath right up there. Just make sure you get those, and then she'll pop right out from the muffler. I'll take you guys around here. You can see up in there we are detached. So from here I'm going to take that side, that clamp with a 15mm bolt, and I'm going to remove the muffler, and then it's just going to be a simple install, hopefully. Make sure you have some jacks or some wood here for your muffler, because it will fall down on you if you don't. After some doctor-like precision, I was able to take that muffler out. Boom! Look how big that stock muffler is. Oh my gosh. It's going to sound so much better with this JY Performance muffler bypass, right? So there are a couple more hangers. Let's see if I can't zoom in on them. Boom and boom. I have to get those out. That's probably the hardest part. There's a little clip here. It's a little piece of metal. Let's see if I can't find it. There it is. They kind of hold the two together. Not really sure why they put that on there. Somebody knows in the comments. You can drop that down below. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and install this JY Performance. It's pretty straightforward, and it's a lot easier to get up in there because it's a lot lighter. Y'all enjoyed this video and it was a little bit helpful. If so, please make sure, like I said in the beginning of this video, just to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.